I'm Than Perez, your newly crowned Mr. Grand Philippines 2024.
Congratulations, Bulacan, for winning.
Thank you so much, thank you so much.
Remember last night, ang sinabi ko, ikaw at ang Australia ang maiiwan, the last man standing. Remember?
Nagkatotoo. Ang galing mo, feeling ko may lahi kang manghuhula.
Oo, Alden, it's your day. Hello, love again kanina. Now, again, another Alden for Mr. Grand Philippines.
Yes, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin at naniwala sa akin. Utang na loob ko po sa inyo at nang naging success ko po.
You gave us a very strong points and you end a very powerful para sa competition na ito. How do you feel right now? Ikaw ang grandest man in the Philippines right now.
Siyempre, sobrang overwhelming nung nararamdaman ko ngayon kasi before pinapangarap lang natin to pero ngayon, I'm your Mr. Grand Philippines 2024.
Okay. Kasi, ang meaning ng Grand Philippines sa'yo, siguro, ours before ay different. Now, what is the meaning for you ng Mr. Grand Philippines?
Para sa akin, same pa rin naman yung goal pa rin ng Mr. Grand Philippines which is yung sportsmanship and parang enhancing masculinity na hindi dapat gantong standard lang yung pinapaboran kundi parang diverse and mas inclusive na Mr. Grand Philippines yung meron tayo ngayon.
What is your promise to the Filipino people? You have another year to compete internationally. What is your promise to each and every one of us na mga kumapit na niwala sa Alden look-alike na si Than Perez?
Yes, siyempre unang-una maraming salamat muna sa mga naniwala. Press presentation pa lang and screening pa lang, ang dami nang nagsusuporta sa akin at alam mo yan. And maraming salamat. Ang mapapromise ko lang sa inyo, I will do my best to bring home our first Golden Crown for Mr. Grand Philippines, or Mr. Grand. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Congratulations and enjoy your journey.
Thank you so much.